Today we are going to discuss about the different type of blogs on the basis of the purpose or the revenue generation of these blogs. Number one is informational blog that is basically intended to provide some sort of information or help to the readers. Like if your website readers are purely intended to get some information about any particular uh, like if you give some tutorials to fix something, or if you give some tutorials to make them learn something about, then it's about like it's purely an informational content, not a commercial content, or you can say not an affiliate content. This type of blogs normally earn their revenue through two mediums now, mainly you can say. The first one is ads. They will display some sort of ads, and the second one is like they will create some sort of informational product, like it can be a book, or it can be a tutorial, video tutorials, or something like that. So they earn their revenue through these two methods basically. Second type is basically called affiliate blogging. That is purely intended like to do some sort of affiliate, to earn some sort of affiliate commission by providing the reviews about the products. Like they do provide comparisons about different products. They do provide detailed information about their features, what they can do, what are the pros and cons about these or those products. And you will be able to like read those blogs and be able to choose one of those listed on their website to make your decision as easy. And when one person click on that particular like link which is given as an affiliate link on that article, it you will earn the money through that medium basically. So affiliate blogging is like normally in most of the cases you do provide like some sort of reviews about the products, some sort of comparison between the products, like you want to choose something under a certain amount of, like if you want to buy a computer under $500 says, for example. And secondly, if you want to choose between Apple and like Intel, which one you want to go with. So these are the products basically where you like do provide some sort of a review about the product, and then you let the user buy the product using your affiliate link. And that is the way how you earn money from these blogs. The third type of blog is called hybrid blogging. Basically, it's a mixture of two bloggings, and you can say is the most successful one as well. Because if you go for informational only, it will be very easy for you to rank, like as compared to if you go for the commercial content or the affiliate content. Normally, informational content is very easy to rank, while if we go for the affiliate content, it will normally take longer than the informational content to rank. So obviously, and it is difficult for you to some create authority in the affiliate content only. But if you go for the third one, like if you go for the hybrid approach and you do write informational content initially, and once you get some sort of authority in the Google, when you get some sort of ranking in the Google, then you can switch from informational to like affiliate as well, and you can add affiliate article in that. In this way it will be easy for you to rank, like you will get ranking quickly using your using your informational content. And once you have that, you will be able to easily rank for the commercial or affiliate content as well. So this third type of blogging is basically what I normally recommend to my friends who want to like go for the blogging. I advise them to go for the third one, which is the hybrid one. Because if you go for the informational only, you might be losing the affiliate earning, which is probably not that bad. While if you go for like affiliate only, definitely you will be losing the money that you can earn through ads or info products on your informational content. But if you go for the third one, which is a hybrid one, you will have all the benefits of informational and affiliate blogging. Like you can uh, rank quickly for informational, and then you will add the affiliate content, and you will be able to rank for the affiliate as well. So you will earn for both, like informational content through ads or info products, and you will earn for the affiliate one by providing the reviews or comparison between the products, and then let the user buy that product using your affiliate link. So in this way you will have benefit of both. But one thing which I personally like very much about informational content, because it's an evergreen you know content. Like if you write about something informational, which it normally lasts longer than the affiliate content, because for the affiliate content you have to keep on checking periodically to make sure that all the links are working fine, and all the products are available on their respective affiliate websites. Otherwise, uh, obviously it is good, like you can earn the money, but if for my personal interest, like if I prefer more informational content than the affiliate content, and that's the reason I normally go for 70% informational content and 30% affiliate content, because I know informational content is something like evergreen most of the time. But in some cases it can be like if you write about certain product, or if you write about certain information which particularly belongs to a certain period of time, definitely that will make it time dependent. But normally it's an evergreen content. While on the other hand, if you go for the affiliate content, you might have to check the links periodically and make sure that all the products are available which you have listed in order to get that affiliate commission. So in my opinion, if you don't want to go for the informational only, you should go for the hybrid one, because hybrid one is something that is more suitable for the current situation, and you can enjoy the benefit of both informational and affiliate content, and you can earn in both ways. No, most of the ad networks are intelligent enough that you can even put the ads only on informational content, and you can block ads on those on those articles which are intended for the commercial purpose or for the affiliate purpose. So in this way you will be able to easily earn through both medium, like through informational content you will earn via ads or uh, info products, while on the other hand, all the commercial content, for all the affiliate content, you can earn through the affiliate uh, marketing or whatever you say. So in my opinion, hybrid is the best option. And in the second, if I second, I should say it's an informational one. And if we go for the third one, that is affiliate one. But obviously your priority can be different, so it's just an opinion with the pros and cons, so you can be able to decide it yourself, which are the benefits and which are the pros and cons of different types of blogs. If you like this video and you want to see more of like this, do subscribe and like this video. So it will help us to understand that you like our content, and you want to have something similar in future as well. Thank you.